Guys, test natin. Double bell, Pit Viper, John Wick 4. Ito yung 303 version. So naka metal slide na siya, and then metal yung frame. Naka optic sights with TTI markings. May magwell na rin, and base plate with TTI markings din. So adjustable trigger, may under rail for attachment na compensator. So sa kabila with Pit Viper markings. Okay, test natin. 311, 312. So pag kumuha kayo guys, may kasama na siyang case, cleaning rod, continental coin, continental card, and extra nozzle. Thank you kay Bossing.